Did I get your attention? Hi, I'm Robert Tyrell with Your Marketing Dude with another video to bring you 3 tips to instantly grab attention in videos in less than 5 minutes, which is less time than it takes for my wife to decide on dinner. I love you, honey. Today we're going to discuss script, pattern interrupt, and captions. Pattern interrupt. Oh, really? We got more? Oh, okay. Oh, we're doing this now, huh? A pattern interrupt is an action at the beginning of your video to catch a viewer's attention, to stop them from scrolling on Facebook, like we've demonstrated at the beginning of this video. Here are a few examples of pattern interrupt. Waving your hands around at the camera, pointing to your ears, acting as if you're knocking on the lens. These things will catch their attention of someone scrolling through their newsfeed. Showing them something that they didn't expect will cause them to stop and take a second look. What's this? Script. Writing a script is the most important part of creating, building, and shooting a video. The format of your video contains 3 parts: intro, edutainment, and outro. Intro. This is where you introduce yourself and your services. This is a conversational piece that leads your viewer directly to the edutainment part of your video, where you will explain the offer and how to get it. Edutainment. Here, you want to deliver your educational info while showing your personality. Focus on their pain points, what problems your customers have that you will solve. You want to tell them what they get, how they get it, and why they need you. You want to educate while you entertain. Edutain. Outro. This is opposite to the intro. We are closing our script with another conversational piece. This is a great place to recap your offer, restate who you are, who to contact, and thank the customer for their time. Captions. Captions are a great way to keep the attention of people during videos. Take the time and write out all the dialogue ahead of time. This can be taken directly from the script. Be sure to proofread all of the dialogue for proper English and spelling. Include captions directly into the video so that captions are running whether sound is on or off. By not including captions, you're losing 26% of your potential customers. Case studies have shown you are that much more likely to improve your videos by simply adding captions. Facebook does have an option to auto-populate captions to your videos, but fair warning, spell check. Following these 3 tips helps marketing agencies like ourselves keep our videos educational, entertaining, and transparent. And you can too. With the amount of videos overloading Facebook feeds, you need to find a way to make your videos stand out from the rest. This can be a tricky process and takes humility and strikingly good looks to accomplish. But seriously, taking the time to create a script, grab their attention, and add captions to your videos will help improve your Facebook advertising videos by 2,136,7%. Throw all your old infomercials in the trash. Break out your Snuggie, clean yourself up with some OxyClean, turn on that camera, and start winning. Jackpot! If you have any questions about social media advertising, please feel free to send us a private message on Facebook or give us a call at 717-PIC-YMD or we'll TP your house. I'm Robert Tyrell with Your Marketing Dude. Thanks for watching.